dreamed, a poet's dream. He said the poem comes from where you've been. It's in an ocean, a trick of fate. It's in taking to the road when the road can't wait. It's a long white line along a holy road, a noble highway made of gold. Too young to die and you're mad to live. You want everything there is that life can give. It's a beautiful dream with a sad refrain. You go all the way and come back again, but it's what you do and it's what you learn, and it's how the scene plays out with every turn.